My name is Mike Digden. I'm the ACE ASAP director here at SUNY Morrisville. As the director, I'm there to help build the program up. That is by enrollment, recruitment. That's also supporting the student both financially, helping them academically, and then also helping them out with some of those personal journeys that you have in your first semester and first year and throughout their graduation process.
The ACE program has provided a lot of support. They help you find other outlets, where to go, how to do it, who to get a hold of and how, and that was a big help.
We work with a number of faculty and staff to provide different opportunities for skill learning and skill development with students, but doing it in a fun, interactive way. So everything from a snow tubing event to learning how to cook to learning how to utilize plants and environments and also wellness initiatives.
Classes and everything else has been good because of ACE. They didn't tell me, hey, if you don't do this, then you're just wasting your own money. And I was like, you're right. So ACE really does help.
Being in the ACE program, their biggest thing, graduating on time. So if you're struggling or anything, you get a red flag in one of your classes, you need help with it, you set up a meeting, they'll help you, they'll guide you through it, talk to you, they might schedule you with a tutoring session, but they're here for you. They want you to succeed.
Really sitting there and building that relationship and having them be open to us and us be open to them, I think is what's going to benefit students here.